My name is Mswia, Chairman of Chama cha wazee na wastaafu mkoani Arusha, briefly Chawama. Chawama was established on 18th March 1998. The first meeting we had about 300 retired government officers and other organizations. In September, the same year, 1998, the organization was registered as an NGO. Our main object when we established the organization was to help the retirees. But later on, we were advised that it's better to include all the elder people, regardless whether they were employed or not. And we agreed with that suggestion. So we extended the objectives from saving the retirees, and now we're saving all the older peoples, as long as they are over 60 years. We've been working with some organizations and local governments and also central government. They've been helping us on several areas. However, we have been working as partners with Helpage International, the international organization which has been assisting us in implementing several projects for older people. And as a result of it, we have been moving on, fighting for the rights of the older people, particularly in the area of health, free treatment. And we've been successful, although not in the whole region, but Munduli, which was pilot area for this project, we've been successful to introduce and give the older people identity cards to enable them to be treated free in their hospital. We are also expecting to do the same thing with Arusha Municipality, Arusha Rural, Meru District, and later on we're planning to go to Karat, Gorongoro, if all goes well. When we started the organization in 1998, it was a very difficult time because by the time older people were not included in the government programs. And one of the things which we did was to make to get together with the other elder organizations to meet together and to see how we can approach the government and ask them or make lobbying to see if there's any possibility of introducing a policy which should help older people. And fortunately, this was accepted. And in 1999, we were invited in Dar es Salaam to see how we can give our contribution towards the information of this policy. And we contributed a lot on it. And we are happy that in 2003, the policy was passed by the cabinet ministers. Now what is being waited is the policy to be implemented by the law, which will be passed by the National Assembly. We're still waiting for it, and we've been promised that the MPs, Member of Parliament, will pass the bill to how to implement policy for the older people. And another thing, economic-wise, there are some older people who can work hard, who can even produce, who can make some income-generating activities, but they don't have funds to it. So we are still thinking how we can help these people these older people who can work and make their life of living more standard, rather than just staying idle. If it can be helped by giving them a little fund, generate their income, definitely they can improve the economic or their standard of living.